What's up my pungios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys another really cool product here. There's another color here from the folks at Nomad for their sport case. Sport case has really been my go-to, especially if you want to go to the gym. You want to have something that has a sleek, clean profile, but also accents your vibe, your style, your fit, whatever it is. This is the super blue color, which I think is great and allows you up to 8 feet drop protection with a TPU bumper. It's nice and ergonomic and it just looks sleek, and really cool tactile anodized aluminum buttons. The backside is scratch resistant, which is great, so you can still have that active lifestyle without having to damage your phone. With that said, the folks at Nomad did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. It does help out the channel, and they did provide this case to me for free. With that said, let's go ahead and review the case and demonstrate what it looks like. Super Blue is the name of the case here, and it's just a big punch to the face. It's this beautiful, like, it's almost like royal blue, but it's definitely a lot lighter. My alma mater is BYU, and I love this color because this is the color that I'm gonna be sporting in the game here today, which is exciting. Coming up close here, as you can see, it is made out of high quality TPU material with a scratch resistant finish. I really like that. It is very shiny here, so you can see my lights as they glimmer. Around the edge is that bordered TPU material, which is acting like a sponge and insulator to be able to help with drops and falls. It has a nice ergonomic concavity to it, as you can see. And my favorite part are these really cool anodized buttons. They're nice and clicky all the way up to the action button, which is great. On the inside, it's got lined this microfiber material, which is gonna also insulate the phone and help protect it. You've got Magsafe, as well as on the inside, protection to be able to help with those mishaps. Placing it in for the first time here, as you can see, it's pretty easy to snap in there. It does give you a bezel around the edges, but you still have the ability to see the entire screen, or if you have a screen protector, it's not going to impede on that. It does give you a little extra bulk, probably about 1/8 of an inch around the edge to 1/16 of an inch, but I think it's worth the extra protection because Nomad does a great job. Buttons are super clicky here, which is really nice. I like that. Power button, it has some grooves to it, which is unique as well. And then you got your punch outs for your IO. Typically these would normally have a spot for a wrist strap, but it looks like they opted out of that this time. It's kind of odd. The final look here on the backside, I really like the two-tone of this kind of grayish color on the blue, and then you mix that into the black titanium of the lenses, and it just looks super sleek in the hand. I like that juxtaposition with a dark kind of graphite color against this beautifully super blue color, and it looks really cool. It looks like here that it wraps about to the corner and then kind of is glued in on there until it hits the TPU bumper, but I think that's really sleek. You've got it even all the way around the camera bump. Some of these phones around there just kind of go up to this line, but this does definitely encase the entire phone. You still have MagSafe capability, so if you want to throw like a charger here, you could. Anker's got a MagSafe compatible charger, 5,000 milliamps. It charges at 5 watts, which is really nice. You can opt in here to this MagSafe capable content creation device. This is the SnapGrip from the folks at ShiftCam. It's got a shutter button as well as a charger, which is 5 watts at 5,000 milliamps, which is great. You've got the tripod mount, which is really cool. If you want to have something to track your content, if you want to make TikTok, you've got the option to. Also, if you want to have something that just matches your cool lifestyle, if you're in college, you want to match your alma mater, your university that you're at, this is the go-to for it. I love the color. It's super sleek, 8-foot drop protection, shock absorption, MagSafe compatible. There's so many cool features here that Nomad provides you. With that said, sponsored video from Nomad. I'll have the links to the product down below in the description. With that said, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.